Developing news out of Victoria due to the severe weather and strong winds. Hundreds of people in Melbourne's inner east had to be evacuated from their homes after strong winds left the crane in danger of collapsing for Tuesday the 24th of July 2018. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, and within a couple of seconds we'll have a look at the BSCH website. It's a GFS wind model. About 300 residents in Richmond had to be moved to safety after an arm of the crane on Lennox Street was blown backwards a bit late. On Monday night, trams along Bridge Road were stopped, road closed for a period of time as workers prepared to stabilise or dismantle the crane, which is about 30 metres above the ground. Richmond Town Hall currently being used as a evacuation centre. So here's another round of severe weather impacting the states of South Australia, Tasmania, Victoria and the Snowy Mountains region. Currently, strong winds have caused energy outages to 1,500 properties and remain without power in Melbourne's city, outer east and southeast. State emergency received 373 calls for assistance. And severe weather warning for damaging winds has been reissued for the King Island and the Phoenix Island and northwest coast, parts of the rest of the northeast, central north, central plateau forecast districts. Damaging winds forecast about the northwest and the north coast Tuesday afternoon. That's down there in Tasmania. Bureau Meteorology has a flood watch in place and minor flood warnings. We'll look at that in a later update. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau Meteorology. And it's Victoria, northern, western parts of Tasmania, Victoria, usual place. I'm also keeping an eye on the area around the southern tip of Papua New Guinea. Now here's the warning area down there in Tasmania. Strong wind warning also in place for Udurn Estuary, Fenwick Henry, Norfolk Storm Bays, the lower east coast. We also have a gale warning for the far northwest coast, central North Bank Strait, Franklin Sound. These are the Flinders Island and upper east coast, southeast coast, southwest coast and central west districts or coast in Tasmania. And it's also in place a small craft alert for the central plateau and southwest lakes down there in Tasmania. Now look at the total forecasts of rain. It's also a severe weather warning for Kangaroo Island, lower south-east parts of the Mount Lofty Ranges, the lower Eyre Peninsula, Yorke Peninsula and including the upper south-east districts. Gale warning south central, lower southeast coast, strong wind warning, lower west central coast, Investigator Strait and the upper southeast coast. Severe weather warning for the southwest slopes, Snowy Mountains, +3 winds for the Alpine Peaks. A series of cold fronts passing through the southeast New South Wales establishing a vigorous west to northwesterly flow over the far southern ranges. Damaging winds averaging 80 to 90 kilometres an hour with gusts in excess of 110 kilometres an hour, likely above the 1900 metre mark in the Alpine area early this morning and again in the evening and overnight. Winds are expected to ease briefly during the day before strengthening again. And blizzards are possible at the time of strong winds. National Park Service in New South Wales recommends that people consider postponing backcountry travel and locations which may be affected: Gippsland, Perisher Valley, Charlotte Parks, Thredbo, Canberra, Moa, Selwyn and Kangaroo. Apology for pronunciation on the last one. And there's a severe weather warning area. And again, it's the series of cold fronts that are impacting 4 states. And there's a warning area down in South Australia. Minor flood warnings in place for the following: Mersey, Leander, North Esk, the River Ouse in the River Tern catchment, and a flood watch for the northwest, northeast and the Durham catchment. A rain weather alert is also in place. The pivotal weather website is the GFS precipitation, and the scale right at the bottom of the screen, area in yellow through the dark brown. The rain weather alert is for the northwest, central north, northeast, western, central plateau and the Midlands forecast districts. Here's a look at the Wimmera 8 satellite view for the western and the eastern Australian region. And the main channel continues to provide updated information on the Westpac scene. Here's a look at both the Melbourne and North Tasmanian Doppler radars. Force 13 outlets. We operate our own website. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter platforms, and if you'd like to have a chat with me or Nathan or any of the others, Force 13 Skype, 9894 Discord. And if you haven't already, linked to the AU channel, your support is much appreciated. Bye for now.